Hi everyone, today we are going to make our Texas Chainsaw Massacre 1974 mask. So we're going to put the latex on the mannequin. And then after that we're going to put some tissues on it. And then this is our inspo.
Alright, so that's a printout of a scene from the movie. So we're not sort of copying the Trick or Treat Studios one, we're just going to do it straight from the movie. And the mask one from the movie is a lot thinner. We'll just copy the photos from that one. So we're doing the killing mask, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
Alright, let's get started.
So now we are going to do a coat of latex on the first half and let it dry, and then after that we're going to do it on the second half over here, and then when that dries we'll stitch it back all together.
Alright, let's go.
Let's do this.
You can go over the line a little bit, doesn't matter, I'll just cut it. Yeah.
To the other side. Oh.
A bit more.
Yep.
Probably do a little bit more so I can fit the tissues on. Just a little bit there. Coat that first.
Oh, yeah. So now we've finished the front, then we'll wait for it to dry and then we'll peel it off.
So once it's peeled off, then what do we do?
And then we'll do the back of it.
Alright.
And then after that we'll stitch it together.
Yeah, and we'll stitch it together. So hopefully it peels off easily. If it doesn't, then I don't know what we'll do. We'll probably just buy one.
Yeah.
So we haven't done this before, so we'll see how it goes.
Yep. We did 2 coats of latex and now it's fully dry, so we just did around the mouth and eye holes.
Yeah, we just drew a pen line around so we can cut them out later. So we know exactly where to cut out, and on top of its head here, so we can cut that around there, ready to join, well, sew together later on when we do the back piece. So let's take the mask off, buddy.
Yep.
You ready? Alright, go. Is it coming off?
I think so.
Right. I'll go from the top.
Yeah.
Put some powder on. Pull. So it doesn't stick. So we're just using baby powder so the latex doesn't stick back onto itself. because it will. Oh. We're going. What? We're going. What do you think?
It looks
Alright, so we'll cut the mouth out and the eyes and cut the top, and and now we'll also do the back part of it. All right, ready?
Yeah.
All right, you like it?
Yep.
So it's not too bad. So it's thick enough, but not too thick though. Actually looks like actually dry skin, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You think? Feel?
Oh, it does.
All right.
We're gonna do the back section now. We did one. I forgot.
We did one coat of latex
Okay.
and tissue paper.
We did one coat of latex and tissue paper.
Yep.
Now we'll wait for it to dry.
All right, then we'll do another coat of latex.
Yep.
All right. Is that all right?
Yeah.
All right. Here it is.
We finished the back piece. Now we did a square on the head for the ear.
Yeah, so they're just for the ear covers. So we'll just do those. All right, there's one we've finished already. All right, so what's after this?
Peeling it off.
Yeah, we'll peel that off, and then we've got to cut a hole for the mouth and eyes.
Yeah. We just cut the eye holes and mouth holes out.
All right, and we had to wipe the powder off, didn't we?
Yep.
So the paint sticks to it, because we're ready to paint now. And what colours do we use for the paint?
Yellow, white and brown. A little bit of brown.
Yeah, just a tiny little bit of brown. And that's, once we mix the paint, we also put 50% latex in it. So half paint, half latex. Otherwise it just won't stick to the latex.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah. We finished painting the pieces. Now we are gonna cut out this bit of the mask
From the damage
from the damage.
in the movie. All right, and this is the little template we found online of the pattern of it. Here we go.
We cut the hole for it, now we're gonna stitch it. We finished stitching the mask. Now we're gonna put the eyelets in.
Show a close up of the.
Yep.
Alright, so the yes, for those. So we're going to do that now. Put all the eyelets in and put these little leather straps in.
We're just gonna do the eyelets now.
Alright, here's a look. Let's check. Alright, nearly there. Alright, there we go. There's one. So we've got 4 to do on the front there. Alright, do the next one.
Yep.
There's a hole. There's the mark there. Yeah. Got it?
Yep.
Alright, pull it out. See it's come through. Yep.
So
Yep, underneath. I think that one goes on top actually. That one goes on top.
oh, okay.
Yeah, on top. Alright, this bit goes underneath there. Oh, we'll just turn it up the other way.
Yep.
Alright, put that one there. Alright, put that there. Put it through the hole. Alright. Put the other bit on top. Other way around. Yep. Oh, yep, that's right. Alright. Hold it there so they move.
Yep.
Alright, so we put this little thing underneath. Like that. Put it underneath like that. Okay, then we get that there.
Yep.
Put it on there like that. That goes on like that. Alright, now you hit. You hold that with that hand because I don't want to get my fingers hit. Alright, go. Alright, take it off. See if it's done. Alright, so now we'll just do the rest of them.
We finished the eyelets.
Alright, what's next?
Now we got some leather cord to pull through.
Yep. Alright, you want to do that?
Yep.
Alright, next one. Yep. No, not right through.
Oh, yeah.
Stays in there, remember? Alright, that one.
Oh,
Got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Is it tangled? Is it tangled?
Yes.
Alright, hang on then. Alright, got it now. Alright, there you go. Alright, let's show everyone. Okay. Alright, so next step will be to probably put the wire piece in the mouth.
Yep.
Okay. Alright, we'll do that soon.
So now we are going to, I forgot. Oh, this is so hard.
What are we doing now?
So
Alright, go. Alright, we're gonna make what?
So we're gonna make the wire piece for the mouth.
Yep. Alright, show me. Alright. Alright, and what are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna paint it
Brown.
brown.
Yeah. Because in the movie, it's a little bit dirty, isn't it? It's not
Yeah.
clean wire when you look at a close up on it. Alright, let's paint it.
Put that there.
Guess what?
We're out of
You're out of
paint.
paint. Alright, we'll get a new one. Hang on. Alright, go. Alright. Take two.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just rub it in. Just rub it around with your gloves. Alright.
Oh, that bit's not there.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll let it dry.
We just spent the shape for the mouth. Now we're gonna use a hot glue gun to make his edges in place. Now we're gonna stick the wire piece in the mouth with rubber cement.
Alright, show everyone. Alright, just spread some.
Yep.
Around there.
Okay.
Oh, show.
We finished doing the mouth. Now we're gonna sew it together with a baseball stitch.
Alright.
We don't really know how to do the baseball stitch, so we're just gonna watch a YouTube tutorial.
Alright, so we've watched one and did a practice. So we'll just copy this practice one we did. Goes under, up over, back under again. So, and then back under. Alright, so over and under. Alright, do you want to pull this one through?
Yeah.
Alright, pull it through. Now I'll just get that.
Yeah.
Alright, grab one down the bottom. Keep pulling.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to go up, underneath first. That's a bit too far. Alright, so we go up, under. And that goes over. And we go up under the other side. Yeah. So under the other side like that, and over. Like that, and back up under the other side again. So it goes basically up, now over, under, it goes, so it goes under every time. So once you get going, it's pretty easy. But if you can't really see what I'm doing here, there are YouTube videos to learn from.
We finished all the stitching. Now we're gonna do the eyelashes. We used rubber cement to stick on the glue for the eyelashes. We finished the eyelashes. Now we're going to do the eyebrows out of this.
It's coming off.
I
Pull hard.
think it's stuck.
Oh, it gives a look. Yeah. Alright, so get another way. Alright, so there's the eyebrows. Alright, so what are you going to have to do to them now? We're going to have to cut them, aren't we? Trim them.
Yep.
Alright, I'll get some scissors. Alright, so I had to trim those up. Alright, so now we'll glue them on.
now putting rubber cement on the back of their eyebrows.
Alright. Bit up there.
Yep.
So it doesn't come up off the edge. Alright. Alright. Good job. Now. Alright.
The eyebrows are now dried. Now we're going to glue their hair on with rubber cement.
Alright, where do we get the hair from? The wig?
Timu.
Alright, so just a cheap Timu wig.
Yeah.
Alright. Spread it around everywhere.
Yeah. We finished the mask. And now we're going to go do the apron. So I bought some vinyl off of eBay. Now we got some images off the internet to copy the apron.
Alright, so these are from the apron from the movie. So we can just copy those. Alright, you want to start
Yep.
drawing the shape? Alright, so what do we do now? Cut those out?
Yep.
Alright.
My dad just cut the shape out of the apron. And now we're going to put the straps on. We are now going to do the apron strap with cotton tape.
How are we going to attach it?
By sewing it.
Alright.
So we just did this strap we did.
Now what?
And now we're going to put the chain, and we're going to put a washer for it.
Yeah, so we're going to put the washer on because that's what they used in the movie.
Yeah.
So the chain doesn't rip the vinyl. So we'll put a hole in it and glue the washer on before we attach the chain.
Yeah.
'Cause in the movie, they use a chain, not like a piece of string or rope or anything.
Yeah.
All right, let's get started.
We are now going to make the hole. We are now going to put some glue on. We just finished gluing the washers onto the apron. Now we just mixed up some brown paint with some water. And now we're going to spray it on the apron to make it more dirty. We finished making it look dirty with brown paint. And now we are going to seal it with sealer. The seal is now done. Now we are going to cut the apron, and it has to be 2.25 inches.
Yeah, a little mark in it,
Yep.
like that they had in the movie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like a cut. So, all right, you've marked it out.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Okay. So now we're going to put a piece of cloth tape over the cut so it doesn't split anymore.
Just on the back of it.
Yep.
All right, push it down real hard.
We are now going to do the blood. We made the blood with a clear glue and red food colouring and a little bit of green. And this is how it looks.
All right.
Okay.
Yep. Down the bottom.
Yep.
Down there. Yep.
Yep.
Down a bit more on the bottom there. All right.
Up here.
I might just dab some in her hands, just see
Yeah.
what you think. Dab, just like smear it around a bit with your hands as well. All right, I'll grab that. All right, go.
Okay.
Just bits and pieces of it. Just look. Show you.
Yeah. So just tap it.
Yeah, a little bit. That looks good. Alright, keep
Yep.
going. Dab a bit more. I'll fling some more on.
Yeah. More bloody. Over here.
Yeah.
We finished doing the blood on the apron. And now we'll put the chain on when we're ready to wear it.
Alright, so the chain is small enough to fit through the
Yes.
those washers. So it's about, yeah.
We are now going to do the shirt now. And now we're going to cut the sleeves off. And it's from Timu, and then after that we're going to tea dye it. Now we got some hot water and tea bags for our tea dye.
Alright, we'll let that soak for a minute.
Yep.
And when it's mixed in, we'll add the shirt.
And now we're going to put the shirt in.
Alright, so we'll let that soak for, I don't know, half an hour or so, or longer, see what it looks like.
The shirt is now dry and it looks way more dirtier. We just got some navy blue pants from the thrift store. And now we mix together some brown paint and some water to dilute it. And now we're going to put it on here.
Just rub it in with your hands.
Yep. We just bought the thrift. I can't talk today.
Alright, go again.
Okay. We just bought the tie from the thrift store. It's a navy blue one. In the movie, it was originally black, but
Oh no, it wasn't black. It looked black.
it looked black.
Yeah.
But this one's navy blue.
Yeah, because in why?
In Gunnar Hanson's book, it was navy blue.
Yeah, he said in the book it was actually navy blue and not black.
Yeah.
So we got a navy blue one, which is pretty dark. All right. So what are we going to do with it?
And now we are going to paint it. I can't really paint it because my hands are too shaky.
I'll just do the outline.
Yeah,
and you can
outline.
color it, the pattern on it. All right.
Okay.
All right.
My dad just finished painting the outline of it. And now I'm going to paint inside of it.
What color?
Silver acrylic paint. We just finished painting the tie. And now we are going to do the boots, what we bought from Temu. We are now going to spray it with watered down brown paint to make it look more dirty. And now we're going to use some sandpaper to rough them up a bit. We finished doing the boots.